News alert, would you take a look and listen to this tape just coming into Fox News? Look at this. It looks like a movie. It is very, very real, I assure you. This video shows the Dutch Navy rescuing a German ship from Somali pirates. Watch here, the Navy opening fire on the pirates. They boarded the ship. The German ship was captured by pirates off the coast of Somalia. It's called the Taipan. Enter the Dutch on board this vessel, firing shots. The sailors storming on board, ordering the pirates to surrender. Listen. Finally, the Navy takes 10 pirates, Somali pirates, into custody. The 15 crew members on board the ship, all said to be unharmed, and now they say that at least 10 Somali pirates are in jail in the Netherlands. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Just incredible, folks. You've been watching this happen over the past few years, just as we have. These pirates off the coast of Somalia like to board these ships and then try to hold them for ransom and get the governments to pay. Well, apparently they messed with the wrong ship, because enter the Dutch Navy. I won't say taking no prisoners, because they did. And those folks are now in jail in the Netherlands. Wow. Amazing.